Here we go with another rehouse. This is a second bloodline for Gonatodes albicularis fuscus, yellow-headed dwarf Nicaraguans. You can see the female right there. Let's see if we can't get her in. Good. Let's get the male. He's got some really beautiful blue on his face. Hard to tell in that light. There we go. So don't want anybody escaping here. Yeah, you can see that blue. These two look amazing. I think the female may be gravid as well. So we're just adding a second bloodline, so that way we can, offer everybody here unrelated pairs. I've been getting more into micro geckos lately, and I gotta say they're amazing, and especially since you can do them in these 5-gallon setups. We just threw in some cork bark, piled it up there. We've got a really awesome fern. Substrate mix on both of these that we did. So Lygodictus conrai is going to be set up. The substrate is going to be the same. It's going to be 4 parts Repti soil, 1 part sand, 1 part decomposed granite. And just mix it up really well.